here yesterday.
And I'm Aria.
I'm software lead.
I'm assistant software lead.
So yeah, who here is interested in coding the robot? Let's go. It's really great. Justin, are you interested in coding the robot?
Darn. I am interested.
Okay, that's very good to
Also
hear.
interested in.
He does everything, jack of all trades. So let's talk about software. So I guess I've been doing it for 2 years, sort of. Aria's been doing it sort of also for like a year and a half, 2 years. Good to get started. Who here knows how to code? Okay. So one of the most important skills that you'll need to have probably before we start. Projector is still
Sorry, that was a.
okay. Do you have anything to say about software?
How about we go around and ask which language?
Yeah. Out of the people, can you raise your hands in coding? You should probably download one thing. So what you're gonna want to do is Google WPILib download. Everyone, if you're interested in software, Google WPILib download guide. You're gonna see a link to docs.wpilib.org. That website is the Bible of FRC programming, basically. Click on that, then scroll down to downloading, and then where it says WPILib 2023.4.3 release, click downloads. It'll send you to a GitHub page. Is it still warming up? That's crazy. And then all you have don't turn it off. And then all you have to do from there is click scroll down to the very bottom. You'll see an assets section. Is everyone there?
I think you should start again.
Yeah. Okay, I'll start again. So are you on the WPILib? Has everyone gone to the WPILib website? So yeah. Welcome to software. Everyone loves software. Everyone uses software. Now we just need to learn how it works on robots. So who here has taken APCSA, taking APCSA, anything like that?
Or would like to.
Take APCSA? A lot of you guys. It's a great class. Mr. Hops is great. Unfortunately, the curriculum does not exactly align with like what we use for robots. So what we're working with is something called hard real-time software. Does anyone know what that means? I kind of explained it yesterday. Okay, I didn't explain it very well. So basically, hard real-time software is software where if something doesn't happen within a certain amount of time, stuff breaks. We don't like when it breaks. And we can control it and stop it from breaking by coding better. So usually, so the robot works in terms of something called commands. And if a command takes more than 20 milliseconds per basically computer loop, starts to run very slow. We can't have that. Be careful. Yeah, safety's on the line. If you remember our safety captain, talked a lot about robot safety. Great guy, Jack Good. Also a different kind of safety. You don't really have to think about a lot because you're doing Java. But yeah, new Java features. So who here knows Java? Like from APCSA, they know it from like a different class. Who here knows what a lambda function is in Java? Justin knows, but he's not in this room. Justin,
What?
do you know what a lambda function is?
What a lambda function is? Kind of.
Okay, see, that's very good. Do you know what an interface is?
No.
Oh, well, I thought you would know. You code in Unity, come on. And a lot more of random features that I probably can't think of right now, but they're there. We use a bunch of programming styles that are also not taught in CSA. This will take like 30 seconds to turn back on. But we use something called command-based programming. It's a really interesting way to code. Makes a lot of sense once you learn it, but the first few times you use it, it's like a little bit confusing. We have you guys, does anyone here know what a hash table is? Okay, one. Jay, do you know what a hash table is?
Yes, I do.
He knows what a hash table is. We have two people here. Uses the internet internet very, very cool to talk to the computer. Networking, we send a lot of data back and forth from the computer to the robot. Lots of other stuff. There's math and control theory. You use it, you don't really have to know why it works. It's more just application rather than theory, which is very nice because PIDs are complicated and I don't really know how they work, aside from like what they do, and like how to use them. Trapezoidal motion profiling. It's actually pretty cool. Gonna get to that probably once we start doing actual software coding. Bunch of loops. There's an open loop, closed loop, feedback, feed forward, death loop. It's a good video game. Lots of annoying things you have to deal with though. We have to deal with Gradle. It's really, really slow. That gets annoying. We use VS Code. Who here has used VS Code in the past? Being able to be right at home in FRC programming. And many of the fun coding things you love. Let's go over to the responsibilities.
So, we don't make all of the robot code from scratch because who wants to do that? Anyways, so you mostly copy and paste a lot of code and then make it your own in the robot. And you work really hard over a short interval of time because you have to wait until each subsystem makes their thingy so mechanical people be on it, okay? And then don't be annoying to non-software people.
Very important.
And don't break things.
Lots of code can break. And yeah, I don't know. This is someone's robot who broke. It can happen. We've burned through a lot of motors. It's not really often at the fault of software. But I mean, we sometimes solve motors, I guess, with software. That happened last year. We just kind of ran that on a robot. But should you join? I think yes, if,
And only if.
and only if you like coding and know how to code, or you can like learn in a really short period of time. If you can like learn within the next like month how to code, you'll probably be good. You have to like learning. Coding is just a lot of learning often. Have persistence. Takes a while, not the easiest thing in the world. You have to be able to deal with annoying things that break. Hardest part of coding. A lot of your stuff won't work the first time. You can be careful and you can improve. If you can do these things, then I think you should join soft. Yeah. Did I miss anything? Any questions? Anyone interested? We have this amazing thing that I asked ChatGPT to write about why you shouldn't use it to write code for our robot.
What does it say? Yeah, please.
So, joining FRC Team 5735 offers an unparalleled opportunity for personal growth and skill development that transcends what ChatGPT or any other automated tool can provide. By becoming a part of this team, individuals gain hands-on experience in engineering, programming, teamwork, and problem solving. Wow. They become a part of a close-knit community of like-minded individuals who share a passion for robotics. Through collaboration, they learn to design, build, and program complex robots, acquiring invaluable knowledge and problem-solving skills along the way. These experiences go far beyond just writing code. They instill qualities such as creativity, leadership, perseverance, and a sense of accomplishment. Being a part of the FRC Team 5735 means immersing oneself in an exciting real-world STEM environment and building the foundation for a brighter future, while also understanding the value of hard work and dedication that transcends automation.
Wow, that was good. Don't worry about if you can't learn it. I mean, we got those two and more people that will be able to fill the gap for this year. So if you want to take up more responsibility next year, that means you got to learn this year. You got to start learning this year in order to take more responsibility for next year and go and beyond. So, but it's fun to. I mean, everything you do nowadays is software, right? Every software every class stuff you use,